Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing video from me, and today I shall be taking a closer look at another trans kit, this time from Fugu Garage, which is dedicated for the Tamiya Nissan Z kit, the one being shown right here, which is also known as the Nissan ZR34. Now Fugu gives us the option to install a Pandem Bodykit, okay, for the Tamiya Nissan 400Z, and the code is Fugu KIT039. I have checked on their website and it is currently unavailable, out of stock. However, you might find it available from another source, or maybe Fugu restocks this particular kit, and thanks to this preview, thanks to this video, you might have a look at what exactly you will get when you order this kit and what quality you will be expecting when this trans kit arrives. So let me open and have a look together at the contents that are exactly included. So these are all the parts that are included, and basically we have the front bumper, a complete front bumper, the front lip that sits beneath the front bumper, the rear spoiler that attaches onto the boot, the luggage boot. We have the front canards that are 3D printed. All the other parts are casted in that unusual pink. Rear arches and also the front arches over there. So that's all the bodykit, and if once again we take a look at the artwork from Fugu, we can see all the parts that are on my workbench, and basically we have the front bumper, the front lip sitting beneath it, the canards which are over here, front arches, rear arches, and also the boot lid spoiler that can be seen over on the back. So that's basically what you get. I have already taken a good look at all the parts before beginning to film this video, and I can say that the quality is top-notch. It's amazing. And let me get a closer look at the front bumper for you. Right there, where you can see that the quality of the resin is very good. I tried to find some type of defect that needs correction, however, I didn't manage to find. It is very, very good, very well casted. Just maybe some sanding over here, however, nothing that is noticeable. There's even the detail of the front parking sensors right there, included in the bumper. No detail is missing from the real thing. Very good quality, just good sand, some sanding with to prepare it for primer, and you're ready to head for primer right away. Okay, very good quality. And we speak of the front spoiler over there, and you can see that there are these two notches, and beneath the front bumper there are the opposite 1, 2, so it simply attaches the notches inside the front bumper. There you go. I have already fitted it, and it fits quite well over there. You can see that it is in place, and that's very good that it has those notches, because you can be sure that you have attached it exactly where it is supposed to be. And it's great that it is supplied separately, because if you want to make it in carbon, it's much easier having it supplied separate. We have the spoiler, boot lid spoiler, very basic. Once again, top-notch quality, as you can see. Right there. And then we have the arches, front and rear arches, and the front arches are recognizable thanks to this triangle, let's call it like that, thanks to this particular triangle, and that particular triangle is this part right here, the edge of the front headlamp, and that's how you recognize the front from the rear. arches right there. Once again, both of them are molded nicely. They have the detail of the arch right there. Very good. Rear arches. This one has the fuel cap right there, while the other one doesn't, so you don't have any problem recognizing which side it needs to go. Also, same detail like the front with those arches. Very good quality. Finally, we find the 3D printed canards that sit onto the front bumper right there. Very good, very nice detail of the rivets and everything. So you just have to cut them out a little sand and you're ready to cover in carbon or whatever your plans is. So those are all the parts that are included with this transkit. I want to add that this particular transkit was ordered without the wheels. You can order when it was available, let's call it like that. You could have ordered the transkit with the wheels. However, this particular kit was ordered without the wheels, and that is why you are seeing just the body parts and not the wheels that are also seen on the artwork right there. As with most of the Fugu kits, it could have been ordered with the wheels, however it wasn't. So that's it from me. I really hope that this particular video becomes helpful if you want to buy this particular transkit. I want to take this opportunity to thank a local friend, Adrian, for supplying me with this kit. Thank you very much. And Adrian is also a very great modeler. You can follow his work on Instagram. He has some fantastic work. I will leave a link into this video's description below so that you can also see his work. Thank you, my friend. And that is all from me. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment. That will be very appreciated. I really hope you find this video helpful. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to keep updated with new content from me. I will see you all into my next video.